The name of the project is Sheikh Al Marzouk Kidney Transplant Center and Imad Al Bahar Neurology Building. They are two different programs, which is a donation by two individuals, a son and his mother. And these donations give us the different program, which is the kidney transplant and the neurosurgery. So the project is quite unique because it's literally like two in one. I think the facade, it's actually quite elegant because it tries to blend in with an environment, which is the movement of the water, the movement of the clouds in the sky. So we wanted to create more of an object that reacts to the environment, but stands away from being a shiny, glittery box into something that is a bit more reserved and quite elegant and reflects an environment that we believe healthcare should be all about, which is calmness. From an efficiency point of view, the building is designed to reduce the amount of heat gain into the project by introducing those very large arch-shaped louvers that react to the sun movement, but at the same time allows you to see to the outside without attracting the sun.
My name is Joaquin Perez-Goicoechea.
I'm Nasser Abul Hassan,
Principal of AGi Architects, and this is the Architect Series.